Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Iron Man Marvel Legends Model 09. So this is the packaging. It's a blister pack type. So ito yung clamshell. Tapos nandyan yung Iron Man action figure, accessories. Very cool artwork of Iron Man. And then the Iron Man logo here. Model 09. And then you have the profile sa likod. And then parang meron siyang line art with a yellow background. Very nice. 41021 made by Hasbro. Alam ko last time meron na akong custom repaint nito. Gagawin ulit natin for the second time. And tiningnan ko rin sa YouTube channel ko. Alam ko meron akong review pero review natin ulit. This is a very retro style ng Iron Man action figure. So you have the yellow face. Ang color combination niya, yellow. Hindi siya gold eh. Yellow siya. Tapos yung plastic na ginamit dito, red. And meron bang paint na in-apply dito? I think yellow plastic kasi ito. Yellow colored plastic. Ang paint, I think this. Ang arc reactor. Yeah, I think the arc reactor and here sa yung mga black sa kanyang hands. I think yun yung paint na ginamit nila. Overall, this is a very nice retro Iron Man action figure. So if you're into retro na mga designs, this is a very, very cool addition. So let's start with the head. Faceplate niya, yellow. Tapos you have the eyes, black eyes, and then you have the mouth. Very angular, shaped in design. Medyo bulky din yung armor sa chest and then dito sa feet for stability. So you have the top portion red, tapos dito sa lower portion sa back it's yellow. And then you have the crotch, you have the middle of the stomach, color red din siya, arc reactor, circle. Then you also have the large na gauntlets. Merong mga lines, may mga panel lines yung hands niya. And then dalawa yung effects. You have the pair of repulsor blasts and you also have the pair of blue smoke. Translucent blue siya. Maganda yung effect niya pag merong lights. Tapos you also have the yellow legs, muscular. Tapos meron din siyang parang bell bottom like or very Mega Man like yung design. Very nice actually. Stick din siguro kung magkatabi sila ni Mega Man because it's very similar in design. Then you also have the large feet na merong 3 stripes. Okay? In terms of articulation, head can look up, down, 360. Arm can rotate. Tapos it can also move outwards. Pwede mong igalaw tong armor niya for better articulation, better range of motion. Okay? Twist yung arm and then double jointed yung elbow for better poses ng kanyang arc reactors. Okay, in terms of articulation, head, up, down, left, right, 360. Tapos yung arms niya pwedeng ma-rotate and also yung shoulders pwede mong very flexible siya to have the maximum range of motion. Tapos yung arms can rotate. Tapos itong armor niya, I think, okay, hindi na siya matatanggal. Double jointed na elbow. You can do the ab crunch and stretch. And also, you can rotate the waist, kick that far, kick, side motion, and back. Wala na masyadong back na articulation sa legs kasi natatamaan nung part na to sa buttocks niya. Okay, tapos you can also rotate dito sa hips. Merong hip cut, merong thigh cut, and double jointed yung knee, tapos ball joint yung paa. Okay, overall, this is a very nice addition sa inyong Iron Man Retro na collection. If you're an Iron Man fan and retro yung mga designs na gusto mo, this is a very nice Iron Man action figure. So yun lang mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.